Hi, Matt Tobin here. I'm with Gilware and I'm the general manager here. I've been with the company since 2006, so I've been here a while. And today I do want to talk a little bit about logical data recovery here at Gilware. Logical recoveries refer to situations like deletions, reformats, OS reinstalls, encryption issues. I mean, there's a large number of things that could fall under this category. So we're going to try to work through some of them. I should start with this, that most of the people that come to Gilware for recovery in a logical case have tried something already, whether they've been at a local place, whether they've tried some off the shelf software, and they haven't quite got what they want, so they send it to us. If you have not gone that direction yet, I would suggest you do. Find a local IT provider. Maybe there's a micro center close to you. You can take it into them. Usually these places are able to help you out. Costs are going to be less than Gilware, and turnaround time will be faster too. But if you've already gone that direction, you've tried some things, you need to send it to a professional lab, then we should talk about some scenarios. Cost-wise, when it comes to logical data recovery, it has almost entirely everything to do with the hours of engineering time it will take. Internally, we have about 3 layers or 3 levels of work that occurs. The first thing that we will start with is kind of what we might refer to as like the normal situation. These are single devices, no encryption, and where something's been deleted, something's been reformatted. Usually our sort of tier 1 engineers can knock something like this out, less than 6 hours. Often the quote you'll see in something in these scenarios, it's going to be $500-$600, something like that. One of the most important things with logical recoveries is that when you do talk to us, you fill out the paperwork, you talk to our advisor group, that you're very clear as to what it is you're after. That I'm missing pictures, JPEGs from this date to this date. Having a really clear picture of what it is you're after, also a clear picture of what the story is. I reformatted my card and then I didn't do anything. Or I deleted all this data and I used my computer for another 4 days. Whatever the story is, it's important to let us know because we can move through things faster with the more information that we have. So normal situations, usually turnaround's pretty quick, and then the price range relatively low in terms of costs. The next area, kind of the next level of things are when we're dealing with things like encryption. Encryption's gone awry, and in these situations, we can often see costs that are 2 to 3x. These are just more complex situations. It's going to require a higher level of engineering here at Gilware. But if we have the information we need, there hasn't been too much damage done. The cost may be higher, but usually results are pretty good. Another kind of in that tier or vein of kind of the second level are like Mac Fusion drives. So these are drives that have a traditional spinning disk as well as a solid state drive that are fused together to form one logical volume. When these go sideways, it's important that we have both, that we have the SSD as well as the HDD. These are usually going to require a little more time to work through because we have, something that's broken, maybe something that logically has maybe been repurposed, and we've got to work through a lot. Like there's just more layers that we're going to have to deal with. When we see something like this, like I said, it's probably 2, 3x, 4 times, maybe $2,000 the normal cost. But we do the evaluation to be able to give you that price. The last level are scenarios which, quite honestly, if you're watching this video, you're probably not in this scenario. But scenarios where we're looking at corrupted or deleted virtual settings, relational database problems. If we're looking at deleted LUNs or deleted SCSI targets, these servers that are in a virtual setting that have gone, logically something's occurred. This situation, the most important thing to do is call us. Call us, tell us the story. We'll give you a clear picture of what this is going to look like. This usually takes our highest level talent, and these situations usually start with about a 4 to 8 hour evaluation process, not always financially risk-free. It really depends on the complexity. So again, in these situations, we would just suggest to give us a call and we can talk through the scenario. So in general, we almost always do the same thing, which is we'll do a free evaluation. We'll find out the situation. If you talk to our client advisor group, they'll try to paint a clear picture of what they think it's going to look like based on the story and what your device is. But you can call us, email, text. You just get a hold of us and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks.